Let me introduce you to this new app I just found that will pay you real money to watch videos on your mobile phone every day. And the best thing is that you can even make your first $10 in less than 3 days. And that's not even the only way you can make money on this app. There is more. If you're that person that watches video on your mobile phones every day and you are not getting paid, you want to stick with me to the end of this video so I can show you how easy it is to earn real legit money on this particular app. But I do not plan to waste your time. Let's head to my phone screen so I can show and explain in detail how this app works. Now the app is called Cheelee, and it's not just another video platform. It's a game-free social media app that lets you earn crypto rewards just by watching videos. Now let me break it down for you, starting with registration. Using the link below, you'll be redirected to download the Cheelee app. After installing it, click on Open. Click on Allow to receive notifications. Then you click on I'm in. Once you're on the app, head to the interface which says Profile, and immediately you will be redirected to register. You can either register using the Google method or via your email. For me, I chose to register using the Google method. And yes, registration is free. The next step is to add your phone number. Ensure you have the correct country code imputed. Don't worry, Cheelee is available worldwide. After confirming your phone number, you add your date of birth and also your gender. When you're done with that, you will be given a 3,000 coins token sign up bonus, which can be exchanged for cash later. There will be a tutorial video that will play afterwards. You can choose to watch it. So the thing is that you would need digital glasses to watch videos on this app, because that's what makes you the money on the app. But guess what? Cheelee is giving you a free digital glass which you can use to make up to $10 in your first 3 days on the app after signing up through the link. Isn't that amazing? Don't forget to click on Deal to accept your free digital glass. So you follow the on-screen instructions, look at the interface that says watch. That is where you're going to click to begin to watch your videos. So click on watch now. So as you watch videos on the feed, a box is going to pop up on your screen at different times which you have to tap to receive your money. So you tap it, it vibrates, and then it dispenses your reward. So this is how you will continue to watch videos until you are done for the day. Now let's talk about more ways to make money on this app. If you're a content creator and you would like exposure, you can post your content on Cheelee and be promoted to Cheelee's over 13 million users. Omo, that's how easy you can monetize your social media platform with Cheelee. Secondly, if you would like to make a lot of money in addition to the ones that the free glass has already given to you, you would have to upgrade to another glass after this free glass has broken. There are many glasses on the app to choose from, including the wrist glasses, but now for those who like Risco, abeg. So choose the one you like and make more money watching videos. Withdraw your earnings into your bank card or even your external crypto wallet. Bybit is recommended. Okay, so to earn money watching videos and how you're going to earn your first $10, you have to come here to the earn interface. Okay, you're going to see this place that's going to tell you how much you've earned today and how much you have to earn today. While I was doing mine, I think the maximum was to earn in a day was about 5.80 something dollars. You would be given a duration of time to watch videos. Right, once that has been exhausted, then you come back later in the day to check for extra minutes that have been added so you can watch more and more and earn more and more on the platform. So that's how you're going to get your first $10. As you can see, my balance now is now I have $6.64 in my balance. So now this brings me to the last two ways where you can earn more money on this app, which is by referring your friends and completing your task. But let's go to the part where it says referring your friend. So click on where it says up to $15. All right, so now you earn up to $15 inviting your friends to come register on this platform. The next one is to complete your task. See where it says easy for tax. You see I've been completing my tax, so that's why you see I have over 100,000 lead tokens here. So that's it. The tasks are actually very simple. It's basically for you to go to the social media accounts to watch video tutorials, to read articles, to follow their social media accounts, and to even learn more about the app. So as you're performing your task, you're receiving money for performing your task. At the same time, you're learning more about this platform, Cheelee. So ensure to complete your task, because these lead tokens that you're gathering would be in exchange for real money and you can then withdraw it. So that's another way you can earn money. This is last on my list on how you can make money on the Cheelee app. Millions of users are already getting paid on the Cheelee app. In fact, you can even check your earnings directly on the app. So don't waste any time at all. Head to the link in the description or comment section of this video and download Cheelee app now to start getting paid for what you already do. If at all you already know about the Cheelee app before you came across my video, can I know in the comment section below about your experience on the app? Don't forget, if you have any questions about this app, leave them in the comment section below and I will respond to as many comments as possible. And I hope you're not planning to end this video without leaving a like on this video. Please leave a like. This is just a way of saying thank you for this update and it encourages me to bring more updates like this to you for free. Also, feel free to share these updates to your friends and families out there so you guys can make money together watching videos online. If there is any more information I get about this particular app that I would like to share with you, I would be leaving a video on my YouTube channel. So you want to hit subscribe if you wouldn't like to miss out on that particular video. Remain blessed and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.